And this is the sewer inspection from the other clean out, which is closer to the street. Hopefully we'll be able to get all the way out. It's still pretty far, but we'll see. But anyway, this is a clean out in the driveway towards the front of the house. And you see there's the garage all the way back there now. It's about 40 feet away, so hopefully we'll be able to get a little bit further out to the street with this clean out here. Some of the sewer pipe we've already looked at, so I'm just going to zoom down there to about 120 feet and then I'll slow down, because that will be the remaining section that we haven't actually seen yet. So you can see here the pipe is starting to get quite bumpy. It has a lot of corrosion inside the sewer pipe. Now that is going to catch toilet paper. It will build up, cause a stoppage, and it will either clear itself with the weight of the water because this sewer pipe is so long, or it may actually have to require snaking. Now obviously that's something that I couldn't say yes for sure will happen or not, just because I'm not very familiar with the sewer or how it's actually being used. But depending on how the sewer pipe is used will affect how it drains and so on and so forth. But here again you can see the pipe has more cracks on it. On the left hand side you can see it's got cracks, it's kind of wavy up and down. Take a picture of this. And you can see here on the bottom of the pipe, very small root, very small. see here, it looks like the pipe is actually has some roots growing in there on the right hand side, and looks like the pipe is actually completely gone there. There's just some soil that's on the right hand side of the screen. I'm going to run some water again so we can get the camera out further. You can see here again on the bottom left of the screen there's another crack that zigzags back and forth along the length of the pipe. And again on the left side there. So yeah, although the pipe looks, fairly decent, it's definitely towards the end of its life expectancy. that's for sure. I mean, it's probably usable with some snaking required periodically, but 50 years is the life expectancy of a sewer pipe when it's made out of cast iron, which is what this one is. And this pipe is now 70, almost 70 years old, so it's 15 years older than it should be, really. I mean, it should have been replaced already, but you know, it's a pretty expensive job to replace the sewer pipe or to rehabilitate it. That's why it's still in use. And like I said, it will be usable, but it will require periodic snaking just to get stoppages cleared because it is rough, and there's also a chance of the pipe actually just breaking. I'm going to find that one area, I believe it was 135 feet, where the pipe has a hole in it. I'm going to locate that in the driveway. There you are, 136 feet. 135, there we go. Okay, I'm going to mark this location.